Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and this is one from a company called Dajia, and this is a stirred noodle from Taiwan. It's a dry noodle, non-fried, probably air-dried. I don't know exactly what flavor it is. I don't see peppers on it. It could just be like a classic Mandarin style soy sauce noodle. I don't know. We'll find out. Shouldn't be too hard to figure. This is soy sauce, and this, oh, there's some red to it. So this could be a Szechuan pepper kind of sauce action there. Here's our noodles. I'm dropping them in the water. There we go. And we got 4 minutes and 30 seconds on this one. So how's everybody doing? Been an interesting week so far, and it's Tuesday for me. Took yesterday off. And yeah, so here we go with a new week. I got 15 reviews in last week, which was pretty good. I'm pretty happy about that. And actually, didn't I do I don't remember whether or not I did reviews on Saturday. I want to say I did. I don't remember. I do a lot of reviews, so I don't remember. But been a lot of reviewing. We had some crazy weather last night. Got really windy. Right around 11 p.m. all of a sudden we got like 10 minutes where it just opened up and we had so much hail that it looked like it had snowed for a second. And later this week we're actually supposed to get snow. It's February 21st today, I think. So is it the 21st or the 22nd? Don't ask me, I don't remember. I'll even look to make sure. I think we're about to, yeah, it's the 21st. I think we're about to delve into July for you guys, which is pretty freaking crazy. And so, yeah, I think, oh, I should mention this. So maybe that's about to happen back then. Well, there's going to be like, because what I like to do is keep the last number of the episode number in line with the day of the month. That makes it so much easier, and I don't make any mistakes that way, I don't think. So episode, say 1628 or whatever it was on, say it was on February 28th, 1629 isn't coming up until March 9th, so there will be like a gap in episodes, but we'll see. Maybe I can throw some stuff in. I probably won't, though. So if you're wondering what that was about a month or so ago, that's what that was about. So, but yeah, that's how I do what I do. I got 3 today. The kids are home. They're on midwinter break, and I got a mukbang coming up. It won't be today. It won't be tomorrow. It'll be the next day. For you. I'm doing all of that today. I'm doing 3 reviews today. Oh my, no. That's a little better. And this is getting there. Man, it's hot in here. I baked chicken for another review, and the oven is still, yeah, God. This oven retains a lot of heat. It's been like well over an hour since I cooked it, but it's still warm in here. It's like really warm in here. I'm all sweaty. So yeah, Taiwanese dry noodle to start off the week. I like that. I made some eggs this morning. Went 5 for 5 on the old eggs. I like that. I like that quite a bit when everything seems to work out well. And so yeah. Yeah, this pack was sent by Dan over at Exotic Nudes. You can go to exoticnudes.com. If you want to, try to use the coupon code TheRamenRaider to get a discount. I don't know if it's active still, But you never know. And he has international boxes, and I'm sure this was a variety that was in one of those recently. So that's pretty cool. He doesn't just have like the Japanese stuff, which seems to be what people and companies kind of lean on, just like we just have Japanese varieties. But no, they've got Taiwanese, Korean, Japanese, American, not so much American. But yeah, Thai, Nepali. I've seen Nepali stuff in there. What that country, Nepal? Nepal. Come on. All right. So dry noodle is neat stuff. These guys are located in Taichung, which is kind of midway in, there's the north end and the south end of the beautiful island of Taiwan, formerly known as Formosa, and the mid-span, that's about where I think you find Taichung. In the north, you have Taipei, in the very north. In the middle, you got Taichung, and in the south, a place I haven't been is Kaohsiung, or Kaohsiung. And then there, I never went to the east side of Taiwan. But I think that's where a buddy of mine does a lot of surfing. So, pretty cool. And, yeah, I really miss Taiwan. It's been a weird week for things. There's a lot of news about, North Korea playing around with ICBMs. Maybe those cruise missiles are not 5 years away. I don't know, but we'll see. And China's talking about supplying quote-unquote lethal weapons to Russia for their Ukrainian campaign. And the U.S. has now said that that's a red line. I don't think it's ever a good idea to A, partition countries after a war, and B, to declare a red line. Because 9 times out of 10, those red lines, they get redrawn much further out, and it makes the current administration look kind of silly. But you know, that's what places will do. People will do that. Here, I just want a nice taste. I'm not looking for to eat the whole bowl of noodles all at once. All right, nice looking noodle. This looks good. Cheers. Not incredibly spicy, but it does have a spiciness to it. I like that. Soy spicy. Yeah, that's kind of like your standard kind of mala, but just not so incredibly spicy. It's come on. There's too much stuff here. Yeah, not so incredible spicy that it's gonna leave way too much of a lasting impression, but it's got a nice spicy level. Let me just put it that way. And it's got a nice soy flavor. I like the soy sauce they're using. This is good. This is quite good. I'm impressed. Thank you. Thank you to Dan over at Exotic Noods for giving me the opportunity to try this one. I like this. And yes, I've already emailed the Dajia company asking them, hey, you got more of these? You want me to try them? They got some awards, it looks like, in 2022, so maybe if their other stuff is good like this, who knows? Maybe they'll get one from me. Fresh eggers. Okay, you come over here. hug that spot. Okay, got that. A little bit of pork. The way I see it, you can never go wrong with a little pork, if granted you're allowed to have pork. If you're not, then you can go very wrong. But I'm not disallowed from pork, so. But otherwise, people can have a Buddha jump. And if you know what that is, then you'll know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Buddha jumps over the wall. That's some good stuff. Look it up. Or if you go more into southeast, northern, north, what do you call it? Yin Tafo. Dong Tao Fo. Dong Tao Fu. Which is like a meaty. Yeah, it's tofu. And it's wondrous. And it's good. Anyway, there we are. Thank you, dude, for sending this over. I'm going to also add just a little bit of crushed red pepper. And enjoy. Cool, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this Tom Yum from Singapore. So, yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.